Next question from the AMA. Can you look into XOR? That's Sora. They received a grant from Polkadot to build PolkaSwap DEX. PS, you can farm PolkaSwap on Sora.farm now until the launch of PolkaSwap. Good APY. Yeah, so Bill can pull that up. We actually did have the CEO, Makoto. He's a friend of ours. We had him do a private overview to our private network customers, basically everybody in the pro plan. There was a recording of this as well. So if you're a customer, hopefully you got in early on PolkaSwap. Now, for those who don't know what PolkaSwap is, they're building a DEX for Polkadot, basically, the whole Polkadot ecosystem, which is a pretty big idea and vision, right? Because you guys know we're bullish on Polkadot, and for a DEX for cross-chain assets, that is huge. I mean, that could be the next Uniswap or 1inch exchange for the entire crypto space. So that could definitely be huge, but it's still pretty early. I do know people have been farming this. Let me actually see if I can pull up their site here. Give me 1 second. As I do this build, do you have the TA on PolkaSwap? I don't think it's trading yet, is it?
I have Sora token versus wrapped ETH, XOR. Does that work?
Okay, that works. Yeah, you can do that as I pull up the site.
Okay, so here's what happened with XOR versus wrapped ETH on Uniswap. It's mid-January, and of course, this obviously it's paired with ETH, right? So it was pretty tough to beat ETH when it's doing a 1x. But ETH has stopped temporarily. And to me, it looks like everyone gave up on this token versus Ethereum, right? ETH just crushed all these smaller tokens. But now that ETH has sort of settled down, all right, there's a big green candle on this. So people want this, right? This is a nice technical point. It's the 76% retracement of the original August DeFi up move. It's also a prior high from when this thing took off basically from 0, okay, to 0.09. So in case my Wi-Fi is not working, Sora is looking good, all right, because it's got a story and it's down, right? So if you're looking to take a shot, there's a story here. Because remember, folks, investing isn't always about math or numbers or things that people don't understand. Investing is about the story. And if this has got a good story, it could be a good investment, particularly since it's down. So we see people coming into this quickly.
All right. So here I've pulled up the PolkaSwap site or PSwap. And yeah, I mean, the APY does look pretty nice. So I think to my understanding, you have to have XOR or Sora tokens to farm this. I have thought about it. I've not looked into it yet or really began farming anything, but I'll definitely do a more thorough look into this. But hey, tell us what you think. Are you bullish on PSwap? Is this a project you think has lots of upside? I definitely do like their very interesting anime style designs. The team is from Japan, which does make sense. Okay, all right. So let's get back to the show.
Token Metrics is a cryptocurrency investment platform that helps users leverage machine learning to become better crypto investors. Our in-depth analysis helps eliminate the emotions of investing, find profitable investment opportunities, and filters out scams. Learn more at tokenmetrics.com. Disclaimer: Token Metrics Media LLC does not provide individually tailored investment advice and does not take a subscriber's or anyone's personal circumstance into consideration when discussing investments. Nor is it registered as an investment advisor or broker-dealer in any jurisdiction. Information contained herein is not an offer or solicitation to buy, hold, or sell any security. The Token Metrics team has advised and invested in many blockchain companies. A complete list of their advisory roles and current holdings can be viewed here at tokenmetrics.com/disclosures.